So here you can see that when we are talking about any organizational capital, here there can be a two forms are there, that is a intellectual capital is there and there is a financial capital, right. Any organization you take, right. Instead of organization, now you can just consider yourself here as an individual also. You can apply it to individual, you can apply it to your lab, you can apply it to your institute, you can apply it to your organization. Wherever you are doing research, you can apply this, whatever the model is there, or this complete research planning, right. So two parts are there, that is a intellectual capital and a financial capital. In the first week we have seen what is the intellectual capital is there, and we have seen that human capital, structural capital and relational capital, along with affective capital, cognitive capital and cognitive capital, all the 6 capital together forms a innovation capital. Now this innovation capital is important to create that particular invention or innovation. So how you are using this for a research planning? So whenever you are starting your project, you just check that all these capitals, like human capital, structural capital and the relational capital, these are what we can say that is perfectly in the place, right. The inventors who are working in that project, then the whatever the infrastructure which is required for your research, that thing, and then your vendors, whatever are there, or any collaborator is there, that collaborators. If you are already thinking about the further manufacturing and all kind of thing, all these things you have already placed, you know that how to use that assignee mapping for any collaborative activity, or how to use that inventor mapping for any collaborations if you want to do, right. And you have done all that what we can say the background search, and you are ready with that human capital, relational capital and structural capital. You probably have thought of, okay, I am working on this project, if I face any issues, then who might be a right person to whom I can contact and I can resolve that issues. So you will just plan it in this way, that okay, you are ready with all these things. The other side, whatever you are seeing on the screen, it is like the financial capital side you are saying. What is included there? It shows that there is a working capital, then there are fixed assets, and then there is a intangible assets, right. Now this is the what we can say, this is the outcome of your activity. It will come, that is that intangible assets will be created after you complete the research project, right. You will create some IP, that IP may act as asset, and that will be your intangible assets. Fixed assets and working capital, that is already the part in your what we can say organization, that financial capital, it will be there already in the place, right. Now moving further, this side means you can see that there are two sides are there. One is like a investment and next is like a financial gain, right. When you are doing this IP activity, the first side, that is a investment side is there, and that investment side is giving, you are investing money there, that is you are putting your what we can say fortune there, and financial gain is there, that is on another side, and there you are what we can say there, you are generating the wealth. Okay, so these are the two parts you are seeing in the screen. One is like a investment side and other is a financial side.